I would like to invite you to explore a training program unlike any training program that currently exists in the automotive industry. DLA Online is an alternative to the kind of archaic training that has existed until now. Let us take a close look. DLA offers the most dominant online training program in the industry with DLA Online and DLA Live. Both have been engineered to fit today's training culture and are accessible across all your devices. DLA Online offers a catalog of over 25 fundamental training courses, including more than 1,800 illustrated videos. We offer courses in sales, F&I, BDC, and fixed operations. We strategically designed each course into small increments and kept each video between 2.5 and 3.5 minutes to maximize the learning time to ensure that each part of the process is learned. Within DLA Online, you can enter DLA Live, which is the most robust live training program on the market. This powerful module has over 250 courses that your staff can attend on a regular basis. Courses for the beginner to the experienced and for all departments of the dealership. A new calendar is posted each week so that your team can schedule their training in advance. All courses are taught in an interactive format by live trainers in real time, with a workbook and a testing element provided for both live and video courses. Your management team can keep a pulse on how DLA is performing in your dealership with our extensive reporting and certification program. As you can see, DLA wants to be more than your training provider. We want to be part of your team. Your sales triumphs are at the core of our training, and your dealership's success is just a click away. Give us a call today at 321-435-6000. Visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or email us at info@davidlewis.com.